Hi, I'm Christy Redfern, CEO of REDLEE SCS. In honor of National Cleaning Week, I'd like to talk to you about what the value of clean means to me. When I walk into a freshly clean space, not only do I see the sinks, toilets, desks, and the several other things we inspect on a daily basis, I see pride in a job well done. I see someone who personally invests in the health of others by doing their job well. National Cleaning Week is about understanding the importance, the role our cleaners, custodians, and janitors play in our daily lives. Far too often, cleaning personnel work in the shadows, and sometimes they're taken for granted. Even further, sometimes they're only noticed if the job hasn't been done. If I've learned anything over the years in this industry, it's that these people deserve our thanks and respect. They do important work that's vital to keep our lives going the way we want. And during these past 2 years, they took on additional risk to disinfect after COVID cases. Let's celebrate National Cleaning Week by taking a moment to say thank you to someone who is cleaning. They don't hear it enough.